Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Flawless Nails is probably one of the most exciting manicure kits I've come across. Today, we're diving deep into this kit, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value. I'll be sharing my hands-on experience, showing you how it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if this kit can truly deliver salon-quality nails from the comfort of your own home, saving you time and money. Number 5. TsMADDTs Manicure Kit with Files, Buffers, and Oil. This kit includes everything you need for a salon-quality manicure at home. It saves you time and money by allowing you to care for your nails easily and conveniently. The kit features a 15 ml bottle of cuticle oil, enriched with natural ingredients. It deeply hydrates and helps reduce wrinkles, promoting healthy nail growth. These sanding buffer blocks are perfect for all nail types, including acrylic and false nails. It's durable and washable, with multiple surfaces for filing and buffing. The kit includes double-sided nail files and polishing buffers for shaping and smoothing nails. The files have different grits for filing and smoothing the nail edges. The kit also includes stainless steel tools like a cuticle nipper, pusher, and fork. They are designed to trim cuticles, remove dirt, and remove gel nail polish. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools, perfect for a full manicure experience. It includes everything you need for nail prep, shaping, and cuticle care. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to achieve salon-quality nails at home, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to make your nail care routine easy and convenient. What people say. Great kit to get if you're starting to manage your own nails or do your own like I do. The buffer file does wear out fast, but if you clean it you can keep using it. Great quality for your money and a wide range of tools. Perfect little manicure kit for beginners. It has everything you need for basic nail care, is easy to use, and very affordable. The quality is good for the price and great for at-home use. All high quality and more than worth the price. I do my nails at home and it has cut my time by 30 minutes just being able to prep and shape my nails much faster than before. Number 4. Hoxida Cordless Electric Nail Drill Kit. This electric nail drill is designed for both hand and foot care. It's perfect for shaping, buffing, and polishing. You'll enjoy using this kit for all your manicure and pedicure needs. Tired of cords? This cordless nail drill is lightweight and portable. The 360 degrees LED light provides a clear view of your work area, making it efficient for home or travel use. You can enjoy a spa experience anytime, anywhere. It includes a Type-C USB cable and offers up to 6 hours of use on a single charge. The LCD display shows the remaining power and speed level. It's ideal for both home and travel use. With 10 interchangeable drill bits and speeds, it meets all your needs. The memory mode remembers your last setting. The speed ranges from 2700 to 20,000 revolutions per minute, perfect for acrylic and gel nails. Built to last with a quiet motor and smart heat dissipation, it ensures low noise and heat. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to control. Enjoy a salon-quality manicure and pedicure at home. The kit includes 9 drill bits, 100 sanding bands, and a Type-C charging cable. It's the perfect gift for nail lovers. Everything you need for a professional hand or foot care experience is included. What we like? This electric nail drill stands out with its cordless design and built-in LED light for precision. It offers multiple speed settings and is rechargeable, making it ideal for both home and travel use. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile tool for both manicures and pedicures, this is the one for you. What people say. Top quality, works well, easy to set up and use, comes with charging cable, has bright light if needed, has low to high speed, comes with many file sanders etc. and storage bag. This nail drill is very nicely designed and works great. The fit, form, and function are top rate. I really appreciate the well thought out selection of bits and accessories. Charging and using this nail drill is super easy. Love this set. Lots of options with added light. Not heavy. Works fantastic. Number 3. Karrong 9-in-1 Electric Nail File Kit. This electric nail file offers an impressive 10 speeds, ranging from 2,500 to 20,000 revolutions per minute. It also features 2 rotation directions, making it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their dominant hand. The device has a convenient LCD display that shows battery life, speed, and rotation settings. It also includes an LED light for precision and a memory mode to save your preferred settings for future use. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with a powerful 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery. You can use it anywhere without being tethered to a cable. It also supports corded operation when the power runs out. This kit is designed to provide a salon-quality experience at home. It's ideal for trimming, grinding, and polishing both natural and thick nails. It efficiently removes cuticles, calluses, and dead skin. The kit includes all the essential tools for manicures and pedicures. It comes with 9 premium nail drill bits, 100 sanding bands, and a storage bag for organization. A protective dust shield is also included. Made with heat-resistant ABS material and an upgraded motor, it ensures low heat and vibration during use. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. The packaging is also suitable as a gift. What we like. This electric nail file features an LCD display and a memory mode for added convenience. It operates with low heat and vibration, ensuring a comfortable experience. If you like a user-friendly and efficient nail care tool, this is a great option, providing a salon-quality experience at home. What people say. Comes with plenty of attachments, has a light to help see the area you are working on. Different speed options. Easily shapes and smooths acrylic nails. It has enough power to work on my husband's toenails without going on strike and walking a picket line. I love that it is rechargeable and portable. Number 2. SUNUV SUNone UV LED Nail Lamp. This is the SUNUV SUNone, a nail dryer trusted by over 5 million professionals and salons worldwide. It's known for its premium quality and ease of use, making it a top choice for nail care. With the SUNUV SUNone, you can cut your curing time in half. It quickly dries all your favorite gel nail polish brands, from beginner to professional. Check the product packaging for specific curing times. The SUNUV SUNone is designed for both fingernails and toenails, featuring a removable base and 30 LED beads. Its enhanced white light source eliminates dizziness and discomfort, providing a pleasant experience. It has a smart sensor for automated curing, eliminating the need for manual operation. You can also choose from 5s, 30s, 60s, and 99s timer settings. This is perfect for both home and salon use. You'll receive the premium SUNUV UV LED nail lamp, an adapter, manicure instructions, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started with this amazing product is included. What we like. This UV LED nail lamp is known for its fast curing times and wide compatibility with various gel polishes. The smart sensor and adjustable timers make it easy to use. If you have a busy schedule and need a quick and efficient way to cure your gel nails, this lamp is perfect for you. What people say. This lamp has a great number of LED bulbs that cure gel polish evenly and thoroughly, leaving my nails fully hardened and perfectly polished every time. With multiple timer options, 30 and 60 seconds, drying doesn't take long at all, which makes the entire manicure process quick and efficient. The machine itself is the perfect size to place an entire hand in to cure nails. It works perfectly. My nails are dry and ready to go after use. Number 1. TUOBEO Cordless Electric Nail Drill Kit. Introducing the TUOBEO Electric Nail Drill Kit, your new go-to for perfect nails. This rechargeable e-file set lets you enjoy professional manicures and pedicures wherever you are. It's designed for ultimate convenience. With a 650 mAh battery, this nail drill offers up to 7 hours of use after just a 1.5-hour charge. This ensures you have plenty of time for your nail care routine. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry. This cordless acrylic nail kit comes with 11 drill bits and 56 sanding bands. It caters to all your manicure and pedicure needs. You can customize the tools to meet all your needs for buffering, grinding, and polishing. Equipped with a 20,000 revolutions per minute motor and adjustable speed control, it provides a comfortable experience. The low vibration, low heat, and low noise design ensures your nails are treated gently. This makes it ideal for various nail types. The gel nail polish remover machine features 3 speed settings and forward-reverse rotation. Whether you're working on natural nails or acrylics, you can find the perfect setting. It ensures you can achieve the perfect nail shape with ease. The ergonomic design and lightweight body make it easy to control. The intuitive controls allow both left and right-handed users to achieve professional results. Keep your nails looking salon perfect at home or on the go. What we like. This cordless nail drill offers a long battery life and comes with a variety of attachments for all your nail care needs. The adjustable speed and direction settings provide precision and control. If you are looking for a portable and versatile nail drill for both manicures and pedicures, consider this one. What people say. Has 3 speeds that is easy to toggle. It comes with a crap ton of files for nail bed. It comes with more attachments than I even know what to do with sometimes. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and very powerful. The speed control is smooth, and it works great for acrylic, gel, dip powder removal, and natural nail care. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.